Module 6. Finishing, polishing, edge burnishing, and detailing techniques. Module Overview. Module 6 is a crucial stage in leather craftsmanship where shoes and bags transition from functional assemblies to professional, aesthetically pleasing finished products. Proper finishing ensures longevity, durability, visual appeal, and premium quality. This module equips you with advanced techniques for surface treatment, edge refinement, detailing, and product protection. It emphasizes both manual craftsmanship and mechanical techniques, allowing you to produce high-end leather products suitable for commercial or luxury markets. 1. Surface finishing techniques. Surface finishing gives leather a polished look, protects it from wear, and enhances color, cleaning and dust removal. Remove debris, thread ends, and dust before finishing. Use soft brushes, cloths, or compressed air for precision. Dyeing and color. Enhancement. Apply dyes evenly with sponges, brushes, or airbrush tools. Layering multiple coats for depth and richness. Correct minor color inconsistencies before sealing. Polishing. Apply creams, waxes, or oils to enhance sheen and texture. Buffing techniques with cloths or brushes for smooth, uniform surfaces. Achieve matte, semi-gloss, or high-gloss finishes based on design requirements. 2nd, edge burnishing edges are critical for aesthetics, safety, and durability. Purpose of edge burnishing: smooths rough edges for a professional look, reduces wear and fraying over time, provides uniform thickness along seams. Burnishing techniques: manual burnishing, using wooden or plastic burnishers with friction and pressure. Motorized burnishing, for high-volume production with consistent results. Water or wax burnishing, slightly dampening or applying wax for a polished edge. Edge painting, optional application of edge paint for a finished, decorative look. Layered edge management, ensuring multi-layered seams are even and uniform. Smooth transition between leather thicknesses. 3rd, detailing techniques. High-end leather products feature distinctive details that enhance market value. Decorative stitching, patterns, top stitching, and ornamental designs, embossing and engraving, stamped logos, patterns, and textures for uniqueness. Hardware finishing, polishing buckles, rivets, and zippers to complement leather quality. Lining and interior finishing, smooth interior leather or fabric for comfort and usability. 4. Protective finishing. Leather protection ensures long-lasting products resistant to moisture, stains, and wear. Waterproofing and sealants, sprays, waxes, and oils to repel moisture. UV protection, for colored leathers to prevent fading in sunlight. Scratch and stain resistance. Coatings that maintain texture and appearance. Maintenance, guidelines for ongoing care to prolong product life. 5. Quality control and inspection. Finishing is incomplete without systematic inspection. Surface inspection. Check for scratches, uneven color, or polish marks. Edge consistency. Ensure burnished edges are smooth and even hardware placement. Confirm buckles, rivets, and zippers are aligned. Functional testing. Bags open/close smoothly, shoes flex and fit comfortably. Aesthetic review, overall visual balance, symmetry, and market appeal. 6th, learning outcomes. By the end of Module 6, you will be able to apply surface finishing techniques for color, sheen, and texture consistency, burnish, polish, and edge finish leather for professional quality products, add decorative and functional details to enhance product appeal, protect leather from moisture, stains, and UV damage, conduct thorough inspection and quality control to ensure finished products meet professional standards.